Alright, 2021 RXT-X 300 against a 2020 GP1800R SVHO. Stock. Both units are stock. Just the SeaDoo has the Scom unit on it. About to run them and see what the difference is. Line up. Now the SeaDoo has launch control, the Yamaha does not. So we'll see what the difference is out of the hole. Who's got the advantage? I think the SeaDoo's got a better hole shot than the Yamaha. We're about to find out right now. You want to start over here? I do have the rear seat taken off. A little bit of weight advantage. You want to start from here? Okay. I am ready when you are. Let's count it down. Okay. Yeah, you had a way better launch this time. Yeah, it was way better this time, for sure. Yeah, I had 76.
76?
Yeah. Yeah, man.